Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest way to turn on and off this mode, and after that how to customize it. Let's start with unrolling the top bar with the control panel, I mean with those icons, and here we can unroll it more, like fully, to see also the names of the icons. And as you can see right here, we've got the icon, so simply tap on it and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can of course turn it off the same way, just by tapping on it, and the screen will get back to its normal state. And if you want to get fastly to the settings, simply tap on it and hold it, and you should be transferred to proper section. But I'd like to show you a full path of how to get into the options connected with the eye comfort mode. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to find display and brightness and scroll down a little bit to find the eye care. Let's tap on this option and maybe let's turn it on first of all, because we will be able to customize it. Here we've got the intensity feature, so by going to the left with this switcher we can make it cooler, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish. We can custom this feature. Let's tap on it. We can, the off option is of course manual option, so you have to manually turn on and off it. We can custom the schedule, so we can freely pick the start and the end time, and of course your device will turn on and off this mode automatically, or from sunset to sunrise, and you can see that your device needs the location to determine your sunset and sunrise times. Yeah, so basically it's up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.